The electric vehicle revolution was supposed to be a two-horse race. On one side of the globe, Western giants like Tesla have been pushing the boundaries of luxury, software, and autonomous driving, turning the EV into a high-tech status symbol. On the other side, Chinese powerhouses like BYD have mastered the art of aggressive scaling and rapid manufacturing, flooding markets with hyper-efficient vehicles. For years, the media has painted this as a strict China versus the West narrative. It seemed the battle lines were drawn. But while the world was distracted by this clash of titans, a completely different kind of revolution was quietly brewing in India. A revolution that just hit the global market in the form of an electric vehicle priced at an unbelievable $10,799. As soon as this vehicle was unveiled, it sent shockwaves through the automotive industry. It instantly forced executives at both BYD and Tesla to pause and reevaluate their entire global strategies. And the most fascinating part of this story is that this highly disruptive EV doesn't come from a flashy new Silicon Valley startup or a state-backed Chinese megafactory. It comes from Tata, a legacy company long considered the undisputed king of vehicular strength and endurance in India. But the Tata Punch EV is far more than just another affordable electric car. It represents a fundamental shift in how electric mobility is approached. The real question that industry insiders are asking is, what exactly sets this compact EV apart from the graveyard of other cheap electric cars that have failed before it? Is its notoriously sturdy, tank-like body its biggest selling point? Or is the secret hiding underneath the floorboards in a radically different approach to battery technology that could completely disrupt the global EV supply chain? To understand why this $10,000 car could change the trajectory of the entire electric market, we first have to understand the mastermind behind it. The story of Tata is not a new one. This isn't a company that pivoted to tech yesterday. Jamsetji Tata laid the foundation of this empire all the way back in 1868 as a trading business. Over the decades, they didn't just build products, they literally built the infrastructure of a nation, expanding into steel manufacturing, massive power grids, hospitality, and eventually automobiles. When Tata launched its first passenger car, the Indica, in 1998, it was a watershed moment. It was India's first truly indigenous car, and it taught Tata exactly what the mass market demands: unparalleled durability at an unbeatable price. Over the years, they expanded their dominance across SUVs, heavy-duty commercial trucks, and buses. Today, Tata Motors is a global juggernaut, pushing out nearly 1 million vehicles annually. You don't just see their trucks and cars navigating the chaotic streets of Mumbai or Delhi. You see them conquering the rugged terrains of South Africa, the extreme climates of the Middle East, and the winding roads of South America. Tata is a global mobility brand deeply rooted in real-world endurance. So how did a company known for building heavy-duty diesel trucks suddenly become a silent assassin in the electric vehicle wars? Around 2017, while most heritage automakers were still treating EVs as mere concept cars or compliance vehicles, Tata quietly went to work. They didn't aim for the luxury segment. Instead, they launched the Nexon EV, which rapidly became one of the most successful electric SUVs in its domestic market, followed by the Tiger EV, engineered specifically for the grueling demands of fleet and taxi services. But here is where Tata's strategy sharply diverges